See you inside.
Oh yeah. No, we're gonna show Robert in a minute, man.
All right.
Robert has to take second on this jacuzzi, okay? Dude, check this stuff. I hope you can see this. Dude, check this. This is a jacuzzi now. Look at this thing. Let me get this right. There we go. Look at this. That is a serious jacuzzi. There's your buddy right there.
Tight back so we know you're here.
Look at this thing. It's huge. It's a jacuzzi. Look at where he lives. Look at this, bro. Look at this thing. Dude. This place is amazing. I don't know if you can see this. Look where he lives out here. This is nice. He just got this house. I hope you can hear me. Look at this. Look at this, bro. This is what Gano Excel has done. Yeah, nice. Nice. This is what I'm talking about, buddy. This, oh, I don't know. Anyway, let me come back in the house. I'm jacked out of my mind, brother. I can't hear you, so I don't know if you're talking to me or what, but we're going to come back. We're coming back. We're coming back in here.
No, I'm asking you to fight with me right now.
Look at,
Type in. You can chat with us.
look at this place.
Are you there? You see it?
Is he seeing it?
No, that's funny. So you can see you, Fred. You see me?
That's actually us. We're right here. If I can get this right.
Oh, yeah, he's saying hell. Hey. All right, so you got ActiveX. I mean, ActiveX. Yeah. There should be a yellow bar above it. It should say plug in. There should be ActiveX.
Yeah. That's Jeremy Martin.
Yeah, he's saying hey. Yeah, you can chat back.
Oh yeah,
He doesn't have ActiveX. He's downloaded it now, so he can see it. So he's typing with it. You did it? Hello? It should be on top of you.